Hey guys, a little bit of a slow day today. They shipped me the wrong coil for a heat pump job I was going to do today, but I should have the right one for tomorrow, so I'll be working on that. But here's my next gas furnace job. So here's the coil, here's the gas furnace. Right now his filter comes out this way, and it's hitting. It's just hard for him to change. It's hitting something. So I'm going to make a twist fitting here. So it's going to go from 16 by 21 to 25 by 16, so the access can go that way to get to his filter, and then I'll have another fitting on top. They're both going to be 12 inches tall, so I'll be working on those. I'll probably build those on site though, because I might have to offset something a little more than it being a straight line, but I wanted to show you what I was doing. And then I went to change my old Portaband blade, and I got the wrong size. I thought it was the smaller of the two, but those new blades are too small, so I have to go get some proper ones. I showed you the other day organizing all my pack out, so I got those ready to go back on the truck. I'm just keeping the back clear because I'm gonna have to load some stuff up in the morning. Got all my tools back there. I'm gonna pull all these S and drives. I don't need to stock that many in there. Plus they get all beat up and bent, so. Yeah, got some more 3/4 PVC shipped, delivered the other day. Some more stuff I need to organize. I'm trying to put together a second tool set for possibly a new helper. We will see. I'm working on that, but I don't really want to hire somebody. But for that furnace AC job, I'm gonna, take my brake apart and I'll just take it on site. Got a couple rolls of metal there. Excuse me, still got this little cough, but anyway, yeah, just kind of little things. I was going to show you guys maybe how to make these packet holders if you're interested. So you just bend your three sides up, and then it's got your little flange that you can screw it onto your furnace or it's the wall or whatever, and put all your stuff in. That's what the finished product looks like here. And it fits most manuals for most manufacturers perfectly. Losing my voice. Still can't shake this this little cold that I've had, but got myself a new set of speed bore bits. What else? What else have I done lately? I think I showed you this. I got all my locking caps here all together. There's all my new Focus Pro stats. I got a lot of stuff I got to organize. Got some PVC fittings left over that don't fit in my pack out. You guys have seen my home system here. I'll show it to you again if you haven't. Still don't have my secondary hooked in, but it's a garage, so I don't really care. Zone 1, Zone 2, bypass that never opens. I could probably take that off and it wouldn't matter. Zone panel, wireless adapter, transformer. I still need to finish wrapping it up there. It was just so tight up in that corner that I never finished. But it's a solid system. It dropped my electric bill by about $50 as soon as I installed it. Plus the house is a lot more comfortable. So yeah. Oh, there's one of the labels too that I've shown you in the past, where I made some labels, because these are multi-positional, when you mount them in a downflow like that, the Bosch is upside down. So I'm going to print out some more of those labels so I can do that on customers' homes too. It just makes it look nicer, even though that sticker's still upside down. Can't do anything about it. But yeah, and then I got to do some more maintenance on my ductless in here. I should probably be checking my filter, but yeah, just a slow day, not much going on. Wanted to make a quick little video for you. There's all my gas piping stuff. I don't know if you guys have seen my rigid, or my Milwaukee threader. Let me show you. Oh gosh, I don't think the batteries are in here, but I'll show that to you real quick. Pretty nice setup. Yes, you got your power head there. Came with a couple of 8 amp batteries. I don't know what, I think somebody stole one from me. The other one's on the truck somewhere. But I got half, 3/4, 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch. That's a little deal that goes on your vise, on your stand. to hold your handle. I might do a demonstration on how this thing works, how to do it. I just don't do that much gas piping, but I did a big gas piping job, so I bought this for it. And if I need to do small gas piping stuff for people, I can. So anyway, that's it. Just a quick little video for you today. Wanted to get something out for you on this Tuesday.